What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be doing a makeup look. This literally has been my go-to makeup look for every day, especially because summer is summering, okay? Lately I just haven't been in the mood to wear a full face of makeup. It's just too hot, girl. Too damn hot. Like me. Let's jump right into it. I'm excited and maybe even a little nervous because I have not sat in this seat in a minute. I miss sitting here. Starting off, I'm using no primer, you guys. I really just enjoy this look and want this look to be super natural. I love when my natural oils start to surface on the skin and everything is put together. It looks like skin, honey. So that's the kind of look that I have been going for lately, like the no makeup look. So we are going to add one new extra thing that I have not been doing just to try it out. But I am for the most part going to show you guys what I have actually been doing for real. Lately I have not been using primer. I've just been using my Cetaphil oil absorbing moisturizer. This is basically a SPF. It has 30 and it's good for the girlies that have oily and sensitive skin. So my skin is kind of like combo, but I really do enjoy this because I feel like when I put it on my skin, it gives me a little bit of a glow. Maybelline Super Stay Skin Tint has been my go-to. I really do love this one. This is in the shade 355. That's pretty much my shade in the Maybelline anyway. Aside from 356, I really like that yellow tone a little bit better. I think it's warm coconut. Yeah, that's really my shade. But this is perfect because I have been to the beach, I have been outside, honey, I have been at the pool, so I definitely do have a little bit of a tan. And I love that this also has vitamin C, which is really good at brightening and just a really good skin ingredient. I actually have a pump for this. I just haven't put it on there yet. When I tell y'all I don't even use that much, like that's literally enough for that cheek. I probably should have kept my hair wrapped while I did this. And with this being a skin tint, I really don't care to have some of my hyperpigmentation or acne scarring to peek through because this is that type of look. And I have been having a hard time finding a summer foundation shade. Like I got the Estee Lauder, I think in the shade Rich Cocoa last year for my summer shade. And when I wore it this summer, like it just looked way too like pink and ashy. It didn't give like that warm yellow orangey undertone that my skin have. Yes, look at this skin, girl. Sephora blushes are bomb.com, y'all. They eat. So lately I have been loving these blushes. I still love Juvia's Place. I really do love Juvia's Place blushes and bronzers, but sometimes I need something just in a little bit more compact packaging. But Juvia's Place is like slim, but it's kind of long. I really love that the Sephora blushes come in this compact packaging and you still get 2 shades. Nevertheless, both of them are really good blushes, and this one's in the shade Poppy. And I literally just put this right on my cheeks. And y'all know I OD on blush because I love blush. And I love to bring my blush from here to here. And I also do put it on my nose. Call me Rudolph. Period. So at this point I would pretty much put my mascara on. I know like it look kind of crazy right now, but you really gotta trust the process. Really gotta trust it. For mascara, I really do enjoy using a primer first. I feel like a primer brings out the best in your lashes, honey. Okay, if you want your lashes to be, yeah, okay, looking like falsies, get you a primer. So this one is just the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. I really do like this one, and I also do switch between using this one and the Lancome, I forgot the name of it, but I really do like that one too. And I do kind of let it dry just a little bit before I actually go in with my mascara. Story time while we wait. So I took my son to Great Wolf Lodge, I want to say like last week, and this girl on the elevator, you guys, her lashes were gorgeous. And I knew she did not have on false lashes. Like, those were her natural lashes. Girl, when I tell you, they were like, yeah, they look like falsies, girl. They look really, really good. She was telling me like I need to try curling my lashes. I don't even think I own a lash curler no more. And I don't know if you're really supposed to be doing it. But then again, it's a lot of stuff we ain't supposed to be doing, okay? I'm just a girl. And I want my lashes to look like, yeah. Now I go in with the Falsies Lash Lift. The Falsies was my favorite growing up, you guys. Like when my mama finally let me wear mascara. But I felt like the formula was a little bit too wet now that I think about it. But when it dried out, it was really good. I feel like the Lash Lift is like the Falsies 2.0, way better. It's a lot drier, not in a bad way. Dry mascara is not a bad thing all the time, you guys. This is the mini version. I found this last year for Christmas. It was like 3 in a pack at CVS for like $10. So I loved it that I got the full size. I just haven't opened this one yet because I'm still working on this one. Side profile. Oh, okay. And then I'll just go in with the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational mascara. I really do love this. I swear, between Maybelline and L'Oreal, like, they got some really good mascaras. Like, I'm talking even better than high-end mascaras, girl. Like, what? These are my lashes. They look really good. For my lip, I'm using this Wet n Wild lip liner. Girl, what's new? Like, this has been my favorite lip liner since forever. First of all, it's not even a lip liner. It's really an eyeliner. And what shade is this? I don't know. It'll be linked down below. 0614. I don't know if this simmer down brown. I had on a little bit of the Fenty. The cherry lip oil is so good. So I just wiped a little off and I'm going in with this liner. And my favorite gloss still, like, I am obsessed with this. If you know, you know. If you have been following me for a minute, then listen. So this is the Fenty Beauty Heat in the shade Hot Cherry. This one is literally so dark for my lip liner, y'all. It's really not even as dark, but mine's, y'all know when you use a gloss, y'all know how they go. It's the perfect tint for my lips, especially because my lips aren't super pink. But I'm trying to like figure out what I want to do about that. Like, there's so much out there, like lip treatments, lip blushing. Like, I would love the blushing if I could find somebody to do that. And I usually like this lip to be a little darker, so I'm gonna show y'all what I do. You literally can go in with any like lipstick, y'all. It really don't matter, but the one I use, I think this is probably like $3. It's Cherry Pickin'. It's by Wet n Wild. And I literally just dab just a little on there. Like, just to kind of make my lips look a little bit more like cherry-ish, like bitten. Not much at all. It also helps to kind of like blend the lip liner too. So this is normally how my look turns out. Like, I love how my skin still looks like skin. You can still see some of my imperfections. There's a little blush to make me look like alive and awake. There's a lip. A lip always gonna make you look put together, girl, okay? Especially with a lip liner. Like I said in the beginning, we are going to take an extra step and try something new. I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer just because I have some things to do and I want to look a little bit more like put together. Another notch, just one more. I'm going in with a little bit of the e.l.f. concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Olive, and this is the hydrating one. I really do love this one. And we're just gonna start with the little, just a tiny bit, because like I said, I want to look put together but still give like that's her skin. And plus I have a tan, so like I said, I can't be using those super bright concealers anyway, girl. Girlies have been wanting a little natural makeup look, honey. Here you go. I could take it a step further and like contour my nose, but I feel like my nose is fine. So I love the shape of my nose. I mean, if whatever, like, girl, do what work for you. Like, if you feel like you need more coverage, if you feel like you want more blush, if you want to do bronzer instead of blush, because sometimes I do that too, but lately blush has been going crazy. For my powder, I have been using this Givenchy powder. This is the Prism or Prism Libre powder. It is a matte finishing and a radiant loose powder. So I have been loving this, and I love this because it literally has like 4 different compartments and color in it. Taking a little bit of this, and it mixes all the shades together. Back of my hand, I'm just kind of like tapping off the excess. And I have the mini. I think the mini probably was like $30 or $40. Perfect. And I literally do nothing to my brows aside from just brushing them. Sometimes I will use a little bit of gel if I want them to kind of like be, y'all know what I'm talking about. It's actually time for me to groom them again, girl. And it's time for me to get them microbladed again for sure. I think we are gonna fill them in just a little bit. And when I say a little bit, I mean just a little bit. I just use this Wet n Wild brow gel, y'all. It's for brows and lashes. It's just like a clear gel. And that's it. That's all. You guys can literally see how light this makeup is because you can still see my mold. Love this. I actually have another lip that I have been loving too, but we will do that in another video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button before you head out. I hope you can try this makeup look or something like it on yourself. Yeah, let me know how it goes. Tag me on Instagram. I want to see it. I love you, and I will see y'all in my next video. Mwah.
That's not the
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.